To clone apps on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you'll have to scroll down until you find the apps settings, so let's go in there, and from here you can find the app cloner. So let's go in here, and here you can find the list of all of these applications which do support the app cloning, and you can find this AliExpress, Facebook for example, and also it includes WhatsApp application, but I actually don't have WhatsApp downloaded on this phone. But from here, to clone these applications, you are unfortunately able to only clone these particular applications. No more apps are like supported right here. Like, I mean, not every application is supported. So yeah, now simply press any switch right next to the application that you'd like to clone. So let's clone, for example, this Facebook application, and wait for this clone to create. And that's basically it. That's how you can do this.